A serene woman in a white gown gently closes the jaws of a powerful lion. Above her floats the lemniscate. Flowers crown her hair and garland her waist. The landscape behind them is warm and open, bathed in quiet gold. Strength is not force here, it is spiritual courage, compassion in action, the mastery of instinct through love rather than domination. The woman is the central symbol. Her calm face, soft posture, and unarmored presence show a power that arises from inner equilibrium. She does not overpower the lion, she soothes it. Her white gown signifies purity of intention, strength guided by integrity rather than ego. She embodies the principle that true power is gentle, confident, and rooted in self-awareness. The lion forms the first supporting symbol. It represents instinct, passion, anger, sexuality, fear, and the primal energies within the psyche. Its red tongue and fierce mane signal untamed vitality. Yet here the lion yields willingly, responding not to force but to compassion. The image teaches that inner beasts are not enemies but energies to be befriended and guided. The second supporting symbol is the lemniscate above her head, the infinity sign. It marks her as aligned with higher consciousness and the eternal flow of life force. The symbol reinforces that her strength comes from spiritual connection, not physical might. It links her to the magician, showing that mastery in the material world begins with mastery of the self. The third symbol is the floral crown and garland. Flowers represent natural harmony, beauty, and the blossoming of virtues. Her flower crown suggests sovereignty of the heart, while the floral belt links her to the Empress's domain of gentle creative power. These adornments show that strength, when aligned with love, produces growth rather than destruction. The fourth supporting symbol is the warm landscape, green fields, distant hills, and golden sky. This environment reflects emotional balance and inner peace. There is no storm, no tension. Instead, the outer world mirrors the inner harmony that makes this form of strength possible. The gentle hills evoke resilience. The clear sky signifies clarity of mind. The fifth symbol is her hands, their placement, softness, and certainty. She touches the lion not with fear or caution, but with trust. Her hands express confidence born of compassion. She acts from presence rather than control. Through her touch, strength becomes an act of communion. Together, these symbols reveal strength as the fusion of courage, patience, compassion, and disciplined instinct. It is the realization that power does not require aggression. It requires alignment between heart and will. In readings, strength signifies inner resilience, calm courage, emotional mastery, healing, and the successful integration of instinct and compassion. It suggests that gentleness is often more transformative than force. Its counsel: proceed with grace, trust your inner steadiness, channel passion wisely. Its shadow warns against repression or passivity. Strength must be alive, not denied. Strength teaches that the greatest victories occur within and through love. Even the fiercest forces can be guided.